In this video, I am going to show you how you can change your LinkedIn profile image into a modern 30-second video clip that looks really cool, and that's all coming up right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, and this video is all about showing you how you can replace your static LinkedIn profile image. So you can see the top left corner, there's the profile image of me. We can now actually replace that with a 30-second video clip. So it's a newish LinkedIn feature. It has been out a while, but most people just still aren't aware of it. So I'm actually recording this video via my iPad because the feature that I'm going to show you and how to use it, you can only do it via your mobile phone or your tablet device. So you can't do it via your desktop. So we now have the option of replacing the profile image with a 30-second video. So see the plus sign that's currently next to my profile image? So I'm going to tap on that, and then up pops a couple of these options. So we can either view or edit the profile photo, or we can add a cover story. Now LinkedIn calls them cover story videos. It's a bit of a strange name, I suppose, but I probably just prefer to call it a LinkedIn profile video. So I'm going to tap on add a cover story, and that's then going to take me to one of my videos that I've saved here on my iPad. So I'm going to click add cover story. And here is this video appearing, and I'll just press play and we can listen to it for a few seconds. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for viewing my LinkedIn profile and also for watching this video, which is a new feature LinkedIn have released, and it's called a profile cover video. The idea is we can all now record a quick 30-second video just like this, and we can replace our single profile image with this video. So there we go. So that's the video that I'm going to be adding to my profile. It's relatively straightforward. So they do give us a few options. So top right, I can click the T for adding text. So you can add text to your video just like you would do on a story with Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, that type of thing. The functionality is nowhere near like what Twitter and Instagram have. You can also click and add some stickers. This is very similar to what LinkedIn's stories feature was when it was available. LinkedIn have now deleted the stories feature. So you can also then mention someone as well. So there is a little bit of functionality to it, but not overly functional. The idea of this video is that it has to be shot in vertical, so you can see this one is not horizontal, how most of us do videos these days. 30 seconds long maximum, and when you do upload the video, there is a 3-second autoplay that plays as a preview as well. So let's click the blue arrow for next. Now you can zoom it in, that type of thing. You can reposition. There is a little bit of functionality. Now I did record mine a little bit off center, but that's okay. Short, sharp and sweet in this video. I'm now going to click add to profile. And now I've had a pop-up that's appear. It says your cover story preview may take a few minutes. Okay, so it's been uploaded. So the change that we can now see to my LinkedIn profile image, see how it's got the orange ring around it. That signifies that it is now a video. Now I will say to LinkedIn, it's not overly obvious though, is it? I think they could do a lot better in notifying us. Now this feature has been available for months and months and months, but I would say 99 people out of 100 just aren't aware of it. But the idea is someone can now click on your profile image, and I'll do that, and the video will start to play. View, or here we go, for mine I'll have to view or hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for viewing my LinkedIn profile. And there we go, we just saw that video that I uploaded play again. So that's how simple it is. It's a new LinkedIn feature, 30-second profile videos, or LinkedIn prefers to call them LinkedIn cover story videos, but it's a cool function. Give it a try. Let me know your thoughts. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the comment section below and let me know what you think. If you're watching it on my LinkedIn profile, don't forget to connect with me and leave me a message as well, and let me know your thoughts on this new LinkedIn feature.